So today I'm at Carpenter Street, and these two, they're gonna be like my students. And if you don't know her, she actually has like a channel, and she stars in like some of the videos. I'm gonna drop a link down below. And this guy, I just met him just now. So we're just walking around and it's about to rain right now, so I don't think I can do a lot of B-rolls right now because I'm gonna focus more on teaching them. So I'm probably gonna do a B-roll of teaching them. So yeah, let's go. Hey, 我就看过来。觉得我教到怎样？
小学学到了要慢动作。
你学的要慢动作，不可以太快，可以吗？你学到东西吗？
可以，要去努力。然后我发现我手真的很抖。
Felix， 觉得怎样？
是学到很多东西，就是想给我要讲给 Just。
你手会抖吗？
然后我的手抖，还有我的动作，要去习惯它。多谢师傅的指导。
谢谢老师。
还没完呢。Kelly, what do you think about my teachings? Am I good enough?
Yeah, I think so.
What? Wait. 我已经What? 什么
Thank you, teacher. Thank you, sensei. Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna put the Chinese one. They only her. I'm not sure about Felix. You okay with English?
Sorry?
Are you okay with English?
Yes, I'm okay with English.
I'm okay with English too.
Then speak lah.
因为我突然想不到我要讲什么。
So Felix, what do you think about my tutorial skill teaching thingy?
It was good, and I never thought that I have this opportunity to learn more about videography, and I learned so much today. Thank you so much, Sensei, for everything.
I don't know why they like to call me sensei, you know. It's like so Japanese. I don't know why. They're both of them Chinese.
So we love to speak Japanese, right, Ellie?
Yeah.
We love to speak the Japanese part. And right, English too.
Oh, we're almost done with the shoot. Actually we went around like Carpenter Street, like looking for places to shoot, and it's almost over. And she has to leave early. Ellie has to leave early, so yeah.
Now let me do guys. Nothing.
What?
Nothing. That's nothing.
They think what?
Nothing.
Oh. Oh. Oh, she said she has a date. So that's why she has to leave early.
Oh, she has oh my god!
Yeah.
So I misunderstood you.
really exhausted just from shooting some B-rolls and like all that, but it's fine, it's cool, it's fun. I'm not much of a teacher kind of guy, like I'm more of an advisor, because in the end it all depends on how do they edit, or like depends on what style do they really like. So hopefully they get something from this, I don't know. Hopefully you enjoy this vlog. I have to drive now and see you guys in the next video. Okay, ciao.